Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I am taking part in the 5 for $5 and we'll get to that and more information about that in a moment. Okay, here I have got a 2x4 that I just went and got out of my garage. I'm painting the bottom part white and then I'm going to dry it with my Darcy heat gun, and then I'm going to use my Waverly black, or actually my full cart black chalk paint, and I'm painting the top black and that large craft stick black. Then I'm going to get that all dry. Once that is dry, I'm just holding that craft stick across there while I paint on this little face, and I'm just using the same black chalk paint. And then I'm going to use yellow and I'm going to fill in the eyes, not the eyes, the nose with that yellow, and I'm gluing the stick on so it makes a hat. And now I'm just grabbing some raffia from Walmart and I'm hooking some underneath the hat brim and then on top, and I'm putting that little sunflower on there, and then I'm going to make a little bow. I just tied it and hooked it on to the bottom of the scarecrow. And here is the finished project, and I hope you really like it. Okay, this is the 5 for $5 challenge, and the host is Missi from the Crafty Cove, and Emily from the Farm Charm Chic, and Brenda from the Rustic and Lace DIY. Let's get right back into this. For the second project, I'm taking a bamboo cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking white acrylic apple barrel paint, and I just drew that it's actually going to be a pumpkin, and I just drew it in with the white paint, and then I'm going to paint it 2 coats of white. Okay, once that's done, I'm taking a Sharpie and I'm just drawing a flower, a sunflower, and then I'm taking some painter's tape and I'm going to paint off stripes, and I'm going to fill in those with black, except for where I have drawn the flower in. I'm just filling those in. Now at one spot I mess up and I have to go back and cover it with white paint. So once I get this section all done, I pull it off again and I do it again, go in the other direction, and I do the same exact thing. I fill those in. Now I missed a little bit of footage where I finished that off. I changed the where I was painting black into gray and left the connecting spots the black. And as you can see, I filled in the center of the sunflower black, and now I'm taking yellow around the petals, and then I'm using orange, red, and I grab a little bit of white, and I make this realistically look like an actual sunflower. So I'm just painting this and getting it exactly the way I want it, and that's when I get done with those colors is when I realize, oh, I need a little bit of white as a highlight so that it looks 3D, and that's where I'm just putting the little bit of white in there, and then I'm going to grab some yellow ribbon. But first I have to put little white dots in the center of, or in the sunflower, and then I use my Sharpie and go around the edge, and then I'm going to make that little bow. It's just a shoestring bow, and I'm just tying it, and then I'm going to glue it on there right by the stem, and then I got 4 tumbling tower blocks, and I'm going to hook that on to make it stand up, to give it some strength. Here is the final, and I hope you guys really like this. Okay, now I am taking some scrapbooking paper in fall colors, and I am just cutting those to fit on these little pieces of wood, and I'm just putting 2 layers on each one, and then I'm going to grab some gold lettering, and I'm going to they are stickers, so I'm just going to put them on to say fall. And then once I'm using my sanding block to sand off any edges that are sticking out, and I used my glue stick to do that. And now I'm just writing out the word fall on these little squares. And these are not from the Dollar Tree. This is actually a package that came from Amazon. So also, don't forget to go down to the description box. It's going to have our hosts, our guest hosts, and our playlist links, as well as a lot of really good information. Here I am coloring that box all black except for the side that has the holes in it. And I grabbed some wood glue as well as some craft sticks so that I could secure these letters all together. And you could see I used that to hook the front one on, and now I am securing those sticks to the all together, and then I'm going to hook another one across the bottom there. Now this is great, but I will tell you it fell, and wood glue is stronger than wood. The craft stick tore in half, and today I had to go back in and secure it with more stability, as well as some more wood glue. But this project is finished, and I hope you guys really like it. Okay, I've got some paint sticks, and I'm just lining them up. Now, I forgot to tell you how much every one of these costed, so I'll tell you at the end. But this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 sticks, and 10 sticks is $1. So it didn't cost that much. It was just $1 plus one embellishment. That's $1. Now here I am putting the wood glue on, and then hot glue to secure this so that it stays. Now I actually only used maybe only 10 of the sticks. No, it was 11, and I'm doing the same thing again. And then I'm grabbing the Waverly Antique wax, and I'm just going to paint this on here, and then use paper towel and just wipe it back off, and it leaves a beautiful finish on this wood. A very, very rich finish, and you can see how it is looking. Plus I'm going in between, so I get the other underneath. Okay, now I am going to go ahead, and I'm going to set that aside to let it dry. And I'm grabbing this word family from Dollar Tree, and it's metal, so I'm using Mod Podge, and I'm covering the whole thing. Now what that's going to do is it's going to give the paint something to grab onto, so that it's a better finish. And I end up painting this white 2 coats to get it completely opaque. I'm sorry, my husband brought me my lunch, so you'll see that as well. Okay, now I'm going to paint this all white, and like I said, it takes 2 coats to do this. And then I'm going to use hot glue and glue this word family on to the paint stir sticks, and then I will call this project finished as soon as that is done. hope you guys really like this one. So this one was $2. Now let's get to the second one. Or the next one. This is a maple tree. It says welcome. And it's got 3 leaves on it. And I'm just going to be painting this tree. And I've got there on my palette yellow, orange, and red. And I'm just going to be kind of mixing the colors as I paint around this. And I completely do the whole maple tree, only one coat, and then I will paint the others. Okay guys, I hope you guys really like these. I don't know why some of these pictures look distorted, but they are. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as give me a big old thumbs up. Hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment. I love them. You guys have a great, blessed week, and you be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.